0 to 60 video up, right? Two of them. 2 0 to 60 clips in one video of me doing a 5.4 0 to 60. And I think I did like a 13.8 and a 13.9 quarter mile. And why some dude gonna comment on the video saying, oh, I don't believe that a Core V6, bro, I don't believe that it can do a 5.4 0 to 60. I'm like, bro, the proof is right there. The video is right there. And I use Draggy. So that's like valid proof right there. So what are you talking about? He like, I mean, most people get like 5.8, 6.5 seconds. Talking about he don't believe it, but the proof is right there. Like, what sense does that make? And then he kept trying to time my 0 to 60. If you're timing my 0 to 60, he's about looking at the time on the video. Say I took off at 2 seconds, right? And got to 60 and 7 or 8 seconds, right? He was saying, you took off at 2 seconds and got to 60 at 8 seconds. That means you did it in 6 seconds. Like, what, bro? You literally trying to time tenths of a second from a video timestamp. And I hate when people do that. Like, that is not how you time a 0 to 60. You don't time anything with video time. Like, when you're talking about tenths of a second, that's like, tenths of a second is just like that. This dude kept trying to argue with me. This went on for about 2 days, like course of 2 days of him arguing with me about my car not doing 0 to 60 in mid 5 seconds. Like, bruh, it's literally everywhere online that the car does 0 to 60 in between 5.5 5.6 seconds. So what are you talking about? You don't find evidence on it. He kept talking about, I went to forums and didn't see anything. Bro, because your friend didn't get 5.5 seconds, that don't mean I can't get 5.5 seconds. He said a cold air intake alone makes your car faster. And I'm just like, what? What? So I'm just like, he must be new to cars or something, because ain't no way a cold air intake without a tune is just gonna make your car faster. He talking about my friend with a V6 Challenger did 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds, but when he put the cold air intake on, he did 5.7 seconds. Like, shut the hell up. Low-key scary, bro. When I hit it like that in a curve in second gear, bro, or coming out of a curve, it kind of be catching me off guard.